Dear children, we already completed pair of linear equations in two variables, part 1. In that, we have solved exercise 1. Now, in part 2, we are going to solve example sums before exercise 2. So, pair of linear equations in two variables. Solution of pair of linear equations algebraically. So, what is concept here? Finding solution of pair of linear equations algebraically. So a pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved algebraically using the following methods. One method, first method substitution method, and the second method elimination method. So what are the methods we are going to use to solve pair of linear equations? First method substitution method and the second method elimination method. General form of linear equations in two variables. General form of linear equation in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So here pair of linear equations. So pair of equations we are taking. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is one equation, and another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is said to be pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. So substitution method. How we are going to apply substitution method? What is substitution method? What are the steps we are going to use to solve the problem by using substitution method? So first step, express one variable in terms of other variable. So one variable x we are writing in terms of y, otherwise y we are writing in terms of x. So substitute this value in second equation. First we are writing the variable x or y in terms of other variable, and we are writing that in the second equation. Substitute the value in the second equation. Solve the resulting equation. So resulting equation we are solving and we are getting one variable. We are getting the value of one variable. Substitute the obtained value to find the other variable. To find other variable x and y. Here we are getting x and y. So substitution method we are going to apply for this example sum. Solve the equations x plus y equal to 7, x minus y equal to 1. Two equations I have taken. So one equation is x plus y equal to 7, another equation is x minus y equal to 7. Sorry, x minus y equal to 1. From the first equation, so this is the first equation. From first equation, y I am writing in terms of other variable. So y equal to, if you take x other side, 7 minus x. The same thing I have written here, y equal to 7 minus x. Substitute in second equation. So this value y equal to 7 minus x we are going to write in second equation. This is second equation. So in place of y we are going to write 7 minus x. So x I have written as it is, minus as it is written. So in place of y I have taken 7 minus x. So simplify it. What you are getting, x minus 7 plus x equal to 1 you are getting. So x plus x is 2x, 2x minus 7 equal to 1. So 2x equal to 1 plus 7, that becomes 8. 2x equal to 8. So x is equal to 4. Substitute in y equal to 7 minus x. So y equal to, in place of x we are taking 4. So y equal to 7 minus 4, you are getting 3. Y value 3, x value 4. So what is the solution we got? 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3 is the solution for these two equations. So by using substitution method we solved and we found the variables x and y. Now elimination method. What is elimination method? So already we have seen substitution method. Now we are going to learn elimination method. So what are the steps involved to use elimination method. So make the coefficients of one variable equal. Make the coefficients of one variable equal. That is first step. And the second step, add or subtract the equations. And then third step, eliminate one variable. Fourth step, substitute the value to obtain the other variable. Substitute the value to obtain the other variable. Elimination method. We are going to solve this problem. 2x plus y equal to 11, x plus y equal to 7. So to use elimination method, subtract the second equation from first. So here variable y you can look. Variable y. What is coefficient of y? 1 only. Here also coefficient of y is 1 only. So directly you can subtract these two equations in order to eliminate the y. We are going to eliminate the variable y. So subtract the second equation from first. So 2x minus x plus y minus y. So 2x minus x you are going to get x. X equal to 11 minus 7 you are going to get. So 2x plus y minus of x plus y is equal to 11 minus 7. So you are getting x equal to 4. Substitute into one of the equations. X plus y equal to 7 is one equation. We are going to write x value in this equation. So 4 plus y equal to 7. 4 plus y equal to 7 we got. So y equal to 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 gives 3. So x I got 4, y I got 3. Solution is x comma y is equal to 4 comma 3. This is the solution we got by using elimination method. What we have eliminated in this method? We have eliminated the variable y, and then we got x and y. Now simple situation problem. The problem is the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 20 and their difference is 4. Find the numbers. Sum of two numbers 20. So first number I am taking as x. Second number I am taking as y. So sum of two numbers is given 20. So x plus y is equal to 20. This is one equation. And the difference is 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. This is second equation. I got two equations. Now I can solve these two equations either by using substitution method or by using elimination method. I can solve these two equations. If I want to apply substitution method, I can take x equal to 20 minus y and write in place of y 20 minus, in place of x I have to write 20 minus y and find y value. After that x value I can find. So if I want to apply elimination method, so anyway x coefficient is 1 here, here x coefficient is 1. So if I subtract these two equations from first equation, I can subtract the second equation, I can find y value. After that substitute the y value in one of the equations to get x value. So what method we are applying now? Just applying elimination method here. So instead of subtracting, here I am adding. If I add also, I can eliminate y and minus y. Here I am having y, here I am having minus y. So if I add these two, so y will be eliminated. So x plus x is 2x, plus y minus y will be 0. Then 20 plus 4, 24. So 2x equal to 24 I got. So x equal to 24 by 2. 24 by 2 gives 12. Substitute in one of the equations. Substitute x value in one of the equations. We are getting 12 plus y equal to 20. So y equal to 8. Numbers are, so y is 8, x is 12. 12 and 8. What are the numbers? 12 and 8 are the numbers, required numbers. This is the solution. Now example 4, substitution method. What is this example 4? Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. So what are the given equations? 7x minus 15y equal to 2, and another equation is x plus 2y equal to 3. Now we are going to solve these two equations by using substitution method. So from the second equation, x plus 2y equal to 3, express x in terms of y. So I am writing this second equation as x as a subject. So x equal to 3 minus 2y. X equal to 3 minus 2y. Now substitute x equal to 3 minus 2y into the first equation 7x minus 15y equal to 2. So 7 times x value 3 minus 2y minus 15y equal to 2. So after multiplication we are getting 21 minus 14y minus 15y equal to 2. So 21 minus, here minus 14y minus 15y gives minus 29y. So 21 minus 29y, 21 minus 29y equal to 2. So minus 29y equal to 2 minus 21. Taking this 21 other side. So 2 minus 21 you are getting. So minus 29y equal to 2 minus 21 how much? Minus 19. So y equal to minus 19 by minus 29. Minus minus getting cancelled. So 19 by 29. I got y value. If I write this y value in one of the equations, I will get x value. So y equal to 19 by 29. Substitute in one of the equations of this equation. X equal to 3 minus 2y. So x equal to 3 minus 2 times 19 by 29. Here you can put bracket. So x equal to, so 3 into 29 gives 87 minus 2 into 19 gives 38. So 87 minus 38 by 29 you are getting. After simplification you are getting x equal to 49 by 29. So final solution, the solution of the pair of equations is x equal to 49 by 29, y equal to 19 by 29. 49 by 29, 19 by 29. This is the solution. Now example 5, age problem. So Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. So what Aftab saying to his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. That is the statement Aftab tell his daughter. Also another statement he told his daughter. Also 3 years from now, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically, graphically. Substitution method. So let x equal to present age of Aftab. So Aftab age we don't know. So we are taking present age of Aftab. Aftab is x. Now present age of his daughter we are taking as y. So x is age of Aftab, y is age of his daughter. These are present ages. So from first equation, form first equation. Now we are going to form the equation. By using the statement, we are going to form the equation. So 7 years ago means x minus 7. Present age of Aftab is x. So 7 years ago means 7 years ago his age was x minus 7 years. What was the age of Aftab 7 years ago? X minus 7 years. So what was the age of Aftab daughter 7 years ago? So y minus 7. Y is present age of his daughter. So y minus 7 years ago his daughter age. Conditions given. So what some condition is given. 7 years ago Aftab age how related to his daughter age? So x minus 7 is equal to 7 times y minus 7. 7 years ago Aftab age is 7 times his daughter age. That means x minus 7 equal to 7 times y minus 7. Here I am going to get one of the equations. So x minus 7 equal to 7y minus 49. So x equal to 7y minus 49 plus 7. I am getting x equal to 7y minus 42. This is equation 1. 3 years later, 3 years from now. So x plus 3 and y plus 3. 3 years from now, x plus 3 years and y plus 3 years. Condition given, x plus 3 is equal to 3 times y plus 3. X plus 3 equal to 3 times y plus 3. So simplification, so x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. So x equal to 3y plus 9 minus 3. That is x equal to 3y plus 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 gives 6. So x equal to 3y plus 6. So we got two equations. This is equation 2. From equation 2, x equal to 3y plus 6. So substitute this x in equation 1. So in from equation 2 we got x equal to 3y plus 6. Now we are writing in place of x, we are writing 3y plus 6 in equation 1. So in equation 1 I am taking 3y plus 6 in place of x. So this is x value 3y plus 6 I have taken, and the 7y minus 42 I have right hand side. So 3y plus 6 equal to 7y minus 42. So 3y plus 6 equal to 7y minus 42. We are taking variable terms one side. So 7y minus 3y. So taking 3y other side. So 7y minus 3y. Taking this minus 42 other side. So constants one side, variables another side I am taking. So here I got 42 plus 6, 48. 7y minus 3y is 4y. 48 equal to 4y. That is y equal to 48 by 4. 48 by 4 means 4 12 is 48, right? So y equal to 12 I got. So I got the age of his daughter. Y equal to 12. Present age of his daughter 12. So what is the present age of Aftab? I need to find. If I write this y value in one of the equations, I will get x value. So y equal to 12, write in one of the equations. So x equal to 3 times 12 plus 6. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 plus 6 gives 42. So Aftab present age is 42. What is the present age of Aftab? 42 years. What is present age of Aftab daughter? 12 years. Final answer, present age of Aftab 42 years, present age of his daughter 12 years. So what is the solution? 42 comma 12 is the solution. Now graphical representation of the same problem. Equations for graph. This is one of the equations I got, x equal to 7y minus 42, and another equation x equal to 3y plus 6. Plot these two lines on the graph. The intersection point gives the solution 42 comma 12. How the graph we see? So graphical representation of the age problem. So x equal to 7y minus 42. This line x equal to, this line is x equal to 7y minus 42. Draw this line by using tabular values. Take different x values, get different y values, and locate the points after that. So this is the line. X equal to 7y minus 42 is the line. By taking y values, we are getting x values. Locate the x comma y points on the graph and then join those points. We are getting this line. This line is labeled as x equal to 7y minus 42. What is another line? X equal to 3y plus 6 is another line. So by taking different y values, we are getting x values. So locate those x comma y points on the graph and join those points, we are getting this line. So where these two lines are intersecting at point 42 comma 12. So this is the solution. These two are intersecting lines where they are having this age 42. If Aftab age is 42, that time his daughter age is 12 years. His daughter age is 12 years. So 42 comma 12 is the solution. Now we see example 7, two rails problem. Two rails are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is one equation, and another equation is given 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. These two are equations given to us, pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. Will the rails cross each other? That is the question. Will the rails intersect each other? That is the question. So just by seeing these equations, what we can say? So if we multiply first equation with 2, what we are getting? 2x I am getting. Here also 2x I am having. 2 2's 4y. Here I am getting 4y. Here also I am having 4y. If I multiply this minus 4, I am getting minus 8. But here this is different. Minus 12, here I am getting minus 8. This is different. So by seeing this itself, I can say 2x plus 4y. Here I am having, here also 2x plus 4y. But constant is different. So in that case, what we can conclude about these two lines? These two lines are parallel lines, but not coincident lines. If constant also equal, then I can say coincident lines. But here, constants not equal. That's why these two are parallel lines. If these two are parallel lines, they are not going to intersect anywhere. They never intersect. Parallel lines never intersect. That means they are not having any solution. They are not having solution. That means what we can say, these two lines are inconsistent lines and not having any solution. So in other method also we can do, we will see. So compare with the general form. So general form of pair of linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. One equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Another equation, so x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the given equation we are comparing. We are taking the coefficient. X coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 2, constant is minus 4. So a1 equal to 1, a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 4. So we compared this equation with the first equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Now second equation, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. We are comparing this equation with the second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. What is coefficient of x? a2. So a2 is coefficient of x, 2. a2 equal to 2. What is b2? b2 is 4. Y coefficient, b2 is 4. What is constant c2? Constant c2 is minus 12. So c2 equal to minus 12. Now we need to find the ratios, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. What we are getting? So a1 by a2 I am getting 1 by 2, b1 by b2 I am getting 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So what you are observing here, a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2. That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Now we have to find c1 by c2 also. c1 by c2, how much I am getting? Minus 4 by minus 12, that is 1 by 3. So what is your observation here? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but this is not equal to c1 by c2. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, but not equal to 1 by 3. That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c, not equal to. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. So what we can conclude? These two are parallel lines. So that is what I have written here. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 not equal to a1 by a2, c1 by c2 not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, the lines are parallel lines. Hence, the rails will not cross each other. Hence, the rails not cross each other. These are parallel rails, not cross each other, not intersecting anywhere. So the same problem, example 7, two rails problem, we are going to do by using substitution method. Solve the equations using substitution method and determine whether the rails cross each other. Same problem I have taken and using substitution method to solve these equations. So from first equation I can write x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is first equation. So x I am writing as a subject. So x equal to 4 minus 2y I am getting. So minus 4 taking other side I am getting 4. Plus 2y taking other side I am getting minus 2y. So x value I got 4 minus 2y. Now this x I will write in second equation. So substitute x equal to 4 minus 2y into second equation 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So in place of x I am writing 4 minus 2y. So 2x, that means 2 times x is 4 minus 2y. So 2 times 4 minus 2y, we have to put bracket here. 2 times 4 minus 2y plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Now multiply, distribute this 2. 2 4 is 8 minus 2 2 is 4y. So 8 minus 4y plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 you are getting. So simplify that, you are getting 8 minus 4y plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 4y plus 4y getting cancelled. So 8 minus 12 minus 4. Minus 4 equal to 0 you are having. So this is impossible, right? Minus 4 equal to 0, how it will be? No, this is impossible. So if you get impossible case like this, then what you can conclude? What is the result? What we can say? The equation reduces to minus 4 equal to 0, which is not possible. This is not possible. Therefore, the system has no solution. What we can conclude? The system has the pair of equations not having any solution. The pair of equations having no solution. Hence, the two rails are parallel lines. So, the rails will not cross each other.